Hey everyone, welcome back to Chill English Time. I'm Emma.
And I'm Michael. And today we have a very exciting episode, like really exciting.
That's right, because today we are going on a trip with two people. That's right, today we have not one, but two main characters.
You already know Rose, but today she is not traveling alone. She is going on a trip with her friend Adam, and together they plan a whole trip, including finding and booking the perfect hotel.
This episode is perfect for you if you want to learn how to plan a trip in English, how to call a hotel and make a reservation, how to check in when you arrive, and how to ask for help during your stay.
And everything you hear today is simple, short, natural, and very easy to repeat. A1 and A2 level English, the kind of English that real travelers use every single day.
Whether you are planning a trip soon or just dreaming about one, this episode will teach you exactly what to say and how to say it in English with confidence.
We have 5 amazing dialogues today. 2 of them feature Rose and Adam together, and the others show each of them in real hotel and travel situations. Listen carefully to every word.
Before we start, if this is your first time here, welcome to the family. Please subscribe right now. We upload a brand new English episode every single week.
And to everyone already here, give this video a big thumbs up. It takes 2 seconds and it helps us reach so many more English learners around the world.
Drop a comment too. Tell us, where do you dream of traveling? What is your dream destination? Write it below in English. We read every single comment.
Okay, Rose and Adam have a trip to plan. Bags are not packed yet, hotel is not booked yet, but the dream is real. Let's go.
Okay, Rose, we have 2 weeks to plan this trip. Where do we want to go?
I was thinking Barcelona. The weather's beautiful, the food is amazing, and there's so much to see and do.
Barcelona. I love that idea. I've always wanted to go there. When do you want to travel?
How about the last week of next month? We could go for 7 nights. That's enough time to really explore the city.
7 nights sounds perfect. Not too short, not too long. Let me check my work calendar. Yes, that week is free for me. Let's do it.
Amazing! Okay, so first things first, we need to find a hotel. Do you prefer something central, close to the main attractions?
Definitely central. I don't want to spend a lot of time on the subway. I want to walk everywhere.
Me too. And I'd love a hotel with a rooftop or a nice view. Nothing too expensive, but comfortable and clean.
Agreed. What's our budget? How much do we want to spend per night?
I'm thinking around $100 to $150 per night. Does that work for you?
That works. We can find something really nice in Barcelona for that price. Should we get 1 room or 2 rooms?
2 rooms. We each need our own space. I need my beauty sleep, and you snore, Adam.
I do not snore. But yes, 2 rooms is better, more comfortable for both of us.
Okay, so we are looking for a hotel in the city center, 2 rooms around $100 to $150 each per night for 7 nights.
Perfect. I found a great hotel online. It's called Hotel Sol. 4 stars, right in the Gothic quarter. Excellent reviews. Look, show the laptop screen.
Oh, this looks beautiful. And the rooms look so bright and cozy. I love the terrace.
Shall we call them? I always prefer to call the hotel directly. Sometimes you get a better price than online.
Good idea. You call. Your English is great.
Your English is great too, Rose. But okay, I'll make the call. Let's find their phone number.
Here it is. Are you ready?
Ready. Here we go.
Good afternoon. Hotel Sol Barcelona. This is Clara speaking. How can I help you?
Good afternoon, Clara. My name is Adam Brooks. I'd like to make a reservation for 2 rooms, please.
Of course. I'd be happy to help. What dates are you looking at?
We'd like to check in on the 14th of next month and check out on the 21st. That's 7 nights.
Let me check availability for those dates. The 14th to the 21st. Yes, we have availability. How many guests will be staying?
2 guests, 1 person per room, so 2 single rooms, or 2 rooms with a double bed. We each have our own room.
Understood. For 2 separate rooms for 7 nights. Would you prefer standard rooms or superior rooms? We also have rooms with a city view at a slightly higher rate.
What's the difference in price between standard and superior?
Standard rooms are $110 per night, superior rooms are $135, and the city view rooms are $150 per night.
City View, 150. Is that okay? Okay, Clara, we'd like the City View rooms, please. 2 of them.
Excellent choice. The view from those rooms is absolutely stunning. So that's 2 city view rooms for 7 nights. Is breakfast included, or would you prefer room only?
What does breakfast include?
It's a full buffet breakfast, hot and cold options, fresh fruit, pastries, eggs, juice, and coffee. It's served from 7 to 10:30 every morning.
That sounds wonderful. Yes, please. Include breakfast for both rooms.
Perfect. So the total for 2 city view rooms with breakfast for 7 nights would be $2,100, $1,050 per room.
Great. And do you require a deposit to hold the reservation?
Yes, we ask for a 50% deposit to confirm the booking. The remaining balance is paid at check-in. Would you like to pay by credit card now?
Yes, I can do that. I have my Visa card ready.
Perfect. Can I take your card details, please? And also your email address to send the booking confirmation.
Of course. My email is adam.brooks@email.com. And the card number gives details.
Thank you, Mr. Brooks. Your reservation is confirmed. You will receive a confirmation email within the next few minutes. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, one more thing. Do you have parking at the hotel? We might rent a car.
Yes, we have an underground parking garage. It's $20 per day. You can add it when you check in if needed.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Clara. We are very excited for our stay.
We look forward to welcoming you, Mr. Brooks. See you on the 14th. Have a lovely day.
You too. Goodbye. Adam, we have a hotel with a city view. Yeah, we have a hotel. Barcelona, here we come.
Good morning. Hotel Sol Barcelona. How can I help you?
Good morning. My name is Rose Carter. I'm calling about a reservation under the name Adam Brooks, confirmation number SB4421.
One moment, please. Typing. Yes, I have it here. 2 city view rooms, check-in 14th, check-out 21st. How can I help you, Miss Carter?
I'd like to add a few special requests to our booking if possible.
Of course. We do our best to accommodate all requests. What would you like?
First, is it possible to have adjoining rooms? We are traveling together as friends, and it would be nice to have rooms next to each other.
Absolutely. I've made a note to assign you 2 adjoining city view rooms on the same floor. I can't guarantee it 100%, but we will do our best.
That's perfect, thank you. Second, one of our rooms is for me, and I'd really love a high floor if possible. I want the best view.
I understand completely. I've noted a high floor preference for your room. We have floors 8 through 12 with the best city views.
Wonderful. And third, my friend Adam's birthday is on the 17th. Is it possible to arrange a small surprise in his room? Maybe a birthday cake or some chocolates and a card?
Oh, how lovely! We love doing this for our guests. Yes, absolutely. We can arrange a birthday cake or a chocolate and champagne set in his room on the morning of the 17th.
The chocolate and champagne set sounds perfect. How much is that?
It's $45, and it includes a bottle of sparkling wine, a box of premium chocolates, and a personalized card.
We can write any message you'd like.
That's wonderful. The message can say, "Happy birthday, Adam. Here's to many more adventures." Can you write that?
Beautiful message. I've noted it exactly. Typing. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Just one more thing. Do you have a gym and a pool at the hotel?
Yes, we have a fully equipped fitness center on the 3rd floor, open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m., and our rooftop pool is open from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Both are included in your stay, no extra charge.
A rooftop pool. Oh, Adam is going to love that. We definitely did not make a mistake choosing this hotel.
We hope you both have an incredible stay. Is there anything else?
No, that's everything. Thank you so much. You've been so helpful.
Our pleasure, Miss Carter. We look forward to seeing you on the 14th. Have a wonderful day. You too. Goodbye.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Hotel Sol Barcelona. Are you checking in today?
Good afternoon. Yes, we are. Reservation under the name Adam Brooks. Confirmation number SB4421.
Let me pull that up. Yes, Mr. Brooks and Miss Carter. 2 City View rooms for 7 nights. Welcome. We've been expecting you. Thank you. We are so excited to be here. This lobby is gorgeous. Thank you. We're glad you love it. May I see both of your passports and a credit card for the remaining balance and incidentals, please?
Of course. Hands over passports and card. Here you go.
Thank you. Processing payment. Perfect. Your remaining balance has been charged. Now, I have great news. We were able to assign you adjoining rooms on the 10th floor, rooms 1014 and 1016, both with city views. 10th floor and adjoining. Perfect!
Amazing! Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Here are your room key cards. Hands over 2 sets, 1 for each of you. Breakfast is served every morning from 7 to 10:30 on the 2nd floor. Just follow the signs. And the rooftop pool? What floor is that on? The rooftop pool is on the 14th floor. Take the elevator to the top. You can't miss it. Pool towels are provided and there are sun loungers available. It's a beautiful afternoon, perfect for a swim.
We might go up there before dinner. Is there a restaurant in the hotel?
Yes, our restaurant, Alma, is on the ground floor. It's open for lunch from 1 to 3:30 and for dinner from 7 to 11. We recommend making a reservation in advance for dinner. It gets quite busy. Can we make a reservation for tonight for 2 people at 8 o'clock? Let me check. Typing. Yes, 8 o'clock is available. I'll reserve a table for 2 for Mr. Brooks and Miss Carter tonight at 8.
Perfect, thank you. One last question. Is there a safe in the room for our passports and valuables?
Yes, every room has a digital in-room safe. You set your own 4-digit code. Your passports, cash, anything valuable, it's all safe in there.
Great. I think we have everything we need. Thank you for the wonderful welcome.
It's our pleasure. Enjoy your stay in Barcelona. If you need anything at all, day or night, please don't hesitate to call the front desk. Dial 0 from your room. Thank you, we will. Come on, Adam, I want to see the view from the 10th floor.
Adam, we just got here.
Good morning, Mr. Brooks. Did you sleep well? How was your first night? Good morning. We slept incredibly well. The beds are so comfortable, and the view this morning, absolutely stunning. Wonderful. I'm glad to hear that. How can I help you today? We'd love some recommendations for today. It's our first full day in Barcelona, and we want to make the most of it. Fantastic. What kind of things do you enjoy? Culture? Architecture? Food? Beaches? Shopping? A little bit of everything. We want to see the main sites, but also do something local, not just the typical tourist things. Perfect.
Then I have a great plan for you. In the morning, I recommend walking along Las Ramblas. It's a beautiful boulevard in the heart of the city. Very lively. Lots of street performers and cafes. Las Ramblas, yes, I've heard of that. And after that, from there, walk 10 minutes to the Gothic Quarter, where your hotel is, actually. The streets are narrow and historic, wonderful for photos. And there's a famous cathedral nearby, the Barcelona Cathedral. Perfect! And for lunch, I recommend El Champagnet. It's a small, authentic tapas bar in the Gothic Quarter. Very local, very delicious. Order the patatas bravas and the jamón ibérico. You won't be disappointed. Sounds amazing. And the afternoon? In the afternoon, the Sagrada Familia. It's one of the most impressive buildings in the world. But please, book your tickets online before you go. The queues without a ticket are very long. Good tip. I'll book them right now on my phone. And for the evening, I suggest the Barceloneta beach. Watch the sunset over the sea. It's magical. Then have dinner at one of the seafood restaurants right on the waterfront. This is a perfect day. One more thing. How do we get around? Taxi, metro, or walking? For the morning, walk. The Gothic Quarter and Las Ramblas are very close. For the Sagrada Familia, take the metro, line 5, Dirección Vall d'Hebron. And for the beach, taxi is best, about 10 minutes from here. You've planned our whole day. Thank you so much, Marco. You were incredible. That's what I'm here for. Shall I also book your tickets for the Sagrada Familia right now? I can do it from here. That would be amazing. Yes, please. 2 tickets for this afternoon at 3 o'clock if possible. Let me check. Types. Yes, 3 o'clock is available. Booked. I'll print your tickets right now. Checks out Rose with Jose. Rose, come here. Marco has planned our entire day and booked our Sagrada Familia tickets.
And that is how you plan a trip and stay at a hotel completely in English, from the very first conversation at the café all the way to exploring Barcelona with the concierge's perfect recommendations.
Rose and Adam did everything in English. They planned the trip, called the hotel, made special requests, checked in, and got around the city. And they did it all with simple, natural, beautiful English.
And now, so can you, because you just heard every single phrase you need. Plan a trip, book a hotel, ask for special requests, check in, ask for recommendations. All of it. You've got it.
Think about all the vocabulary you learned today. Availability, deposit, adjoining rooms, incidentals, concierge. Make the most of it. These are real words used in real hotels around the world every single day.
And the best part? You don't need to be perfect. Rose made notes while Adam called the hotel. Adam asked the concierge for help instead of trying to figure it out alone. Real travelers ask for help, and that is smart.
Here is your practice challenge for today. Go back to Dialogue 2, Adam calling the hotel. Read it out loud. Be Adam and be the receptionist. Practice both sides until the conversation feels natural and easy.
Then try this. Call or write to a real hotel in English and ask for their rate and availability. Even just as practice, you will be so proud of yourself when you do it.
If today's episode helped you, please give it a big thumbs up right now and subscribe if you haven't already. A brand new episode drops every single week.
Comment below. Tell us, where do you want to travel? And would you travel more like Rose with special requests and surprises, or more like Adam, organized and planned? We want to know your style.
Next week, Rose and Adam are at the hotel restaurant, and then they get a little lost in the city. There is a very funny moment you will absolutely love. Do not miss it.
This is Chill English Time, where every journey starts with the right words.
I'm Emma.
I'm Michael.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Pack your bags, practice your English, and enjoy the ride. Bye!